I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you AOC 24G2SP best settings. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Here you will see these are the people's opinion regarding this. When people says that if you want color accuracy, you should use the sRGB mode in the settings. It has oversaturated color by default and sRGB mode clamps to it to 100% sRGB. It's not perfect though if you are professional, but it does the job. The only problem with it locked the brightness to 90. You should also get a calibration tool or download an ICC profile, but it will only work in certain programs while sRGB mode works globally. So this is the people opinion regarding this. And here you will see. These are the settings for your ASU monitor. These are the picture settings. Brightness 90 to 100, contrast 50, gamma 2 or gamma 3. Color settings. Color temperature. Red should be 48, green should be 49 and blue 50. Game settings. Overdrive strong. Adaptive sync slash freeze sync enable. Low input lag on. Shadow control 50. And these are the advanced settings. Refresh rate 165 Hz. Response time 1 ms for fastest reaction. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.